Shubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Kamigalaya Youth Congress mentagasngi ka arpaw tarik urisaw arhajar arpaway kalapanrong kerteng hapo ke Indian Youth Congress yagi dikhat lani ki Samla hakabakila ban penrong kerteng yaladi hapo ke Seng Congress lani banyadon benta hapo ke Indian Congress katai ki Samla balakot Jakarta kabakhat prasnem hadu lai pausan snem dakapa penrong kerteng Lyngba ka IYC apps banlong ru ki dikhat banyadon benta. Hakategasngi laydon lang do Presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala bat kiwe. Lakmi lentiru ban penrong kerteng kumba silak lani silak tam kidekhan.
I'm happy to be in this beautiful state of Meghalaya. And I am Pramod. I am the Pradesh Returning Officer for IYC elections. So like Sarifaji explained, there is some changes in the process now. All the membership and elections will be conducted through an app. It's called With IYC. It is downloadable from Play Store. And I will go through the details. Anyone who is between 18 and 35 years of age and a citizen of India can join in Congress. And that person shouldn't have any criminal records and he should not be part of any other political party. And we have a cut-off date of birth for the membership. It is 30th October 1985 to 31st December 2003. Anyone who is born on or between these dates can be a member of the IYC. There will be there will be 3 levels of committee: state, district and assembly. And nomination will be for state president, there will be separate nomination, and state general secretary, there will be separate nomination. And the state president committee will be comprising of 6 members, 1 president and 5 vice presidents. And state general secretary committee size will be 28. And district committees will be 24 and assembly committee will be 24. And any person who got the highest votes in any category will become the president. Membership and election process. However, the nominations start on 30th October. 30th October to 5th November will be the nomination dates. And anyone who is having any complaint on the nomination can view the complaint through the app from 31st October to 6th November. And after hearing the complaints and seeing the scrutinizing, we will finalize the nomination and publish it on 8th November. Then membership will start from 12th November to 12th December. While doing the membership, while doing the active membership, they can prefer their candidate for each category. In that way, who is getting the highest will become the president. And the fee for nomination is for assembly, it's 1,500 rupees. And subsidized fee is 1,000 rupees. And for district, 3,000, subsidized 1,500. State committee, 7,500 and subsidized 4,000. And this subsidy is for SC/ST candidates, women and BPL candidates. Also, there is a 1 person, 1 post criteria. So if any of these persons who is giving nomination should resign from any other party post. Also, there is a 12.5% reservation for SC/ST for district presidency. That means 12.5% of the total districts. In Meghalaya, there are 11 districts, so 12.5 will be 1.3 or something. So there will be 1 district that will be reserved for SC/ST candidate. So for that, we will take a draw here, and whichever district is coming up in the draw will be reserved for the SC/ST. Presidentship will be reserved for the SC/ST candidate.
Congress is not in a bad shape. It's just, in any tribal states, it's just before 6 months or 1 year before the election, the organization revives. It's in any tribal state. It's not only about in Meghalaya. So Congress is very much active, and I believe we have given power as a PCC president in a very good person's hand. Congress will definitely revive, and in coming days we will form government here.
But what about people leaving the Congress? Many leaders are leaving the Congress.
See, that depends. Maybe people, they are thinking they are selfish. They are not thinking about the organization. I must say that. The party who have given you so much, just because now today if party is little weak, rather than supporting, you are going to other party, joining hands with others, that means you are greedy, you are selfish. That's what I can say. You maybe because of that you have not seen, but it is Youth Congress is everywhere. We are having by-elections. Our people are working everywhere in every constituencies wherever we are having. If you go to Garo Hills, if you go to Shillong also, you will see our members. They are working.
The timing, is it because of the bypolls you are coming to spread the activity?
It's nothing like that. It's nothing like that. As I said, it has nothing to do with the bypolls only. Congress is always active, and you will see Congress reviving in coming days. You will see it